Drag and drop in Unity. Go to Sprites and drag the image to the hierarchy. We need to do two things. The first is to add a collider. The second is to add a script. Let's look at this script. On mouse down we calculate the offset, that is the difference between the object's position and where the user clicked the mouse. And then on mouse drag, we set the position of our object to the current mouse position plus the offset. Observe how we get the mouse position. We take the input.mouse position, which is in screen coordinates, and we convert it to the world coordinates by using the built-in function screen to world point. Let's test this. Click and drag, and as you can see, it works. Thank you for watching.